Hello everyone, I wanted to get on here and show you a quick little another tip for low carb eating, or just eating, preparing your meals, or eating on a budget, whatever you want to call it. So what I do is when I bring the bell peppers home, which I didn't do it this time, the bell peppers have been in my fridge about a week, so they stay good pretty long, but I wanted to go ahead and get them up because they stay better in this. So I use recycled jars. I don't go buy expensive jars. I use recycled ones. The kids have to wash them. They hate it. And I put my bell peppers in it, and I put my onions in it. And I just dice them up. Then, if I make anything that I want a little bit of onion or a little bit of bell peppers, from salads to meatloaves to whatever, I have it. So it's already done. So that is 2 bell peppers. That is 1 onion. I'm fixing to cook up another onion. I would show you how I cut it up, but it's basic. You know how to cut it up and dice it up. And I'm not going to show you because, for the simple fact that my honey butt says I do it wrong, so don't need no comments of you do this wrong, blah blah. And yes, my cutting board is green from the bell peppers. I see no reason why to wash it in between. If that's something you want to do, go for it, but I don't. So I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and here's a little tip. If you have some other tips, leave them in the comments. See you later.